In this guide, I will show you how to watch Telegram videos without downloading them. First, open your Telegram application on your device and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap the option called Data and Storage. In the Data and Storage settings, you'll see a section labeled as Automatic Media Download. Turn off all of the options under Automatic Media Download, including using mobile data when you connect it to a Wi-Fi or when roaming. By turning off these options, Telegram will not automatically download videos when you are connected to a mobile data, Wi-Fi, or roaming instead. You can stream the videos directly without downloading them to your device. And that's it. Now you can easily watch Telegram videos without having to download them. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. We will see today